Welcome to the session 5 of fluid mechanics. In this session, I am discuss about fluid pressure and its measurement. What is fluid pressure? It is the pressure exerted by the surrounding fluid on the surface of the fluid, and it is mathematically expressed as P is equals to F by A, and the unit of pressure is Pascal. 1 Pascal is equals to 1 Newton per meter square. Pascal law statement: the pressure or intensity of pressure at a point in a static fluid is equal in all directions. That is, Px is equals to Py is equals to Pz. Consider an arbitrary fluid element of wedge shaped in a fluid mass which is at rest as shown in the figure. This is the arbitrary fluid element. Let the thickness be unity. Angle ABC, this is ABC, equal to theta. Let Px, this is Px, Py and Pz are the pressure intensity acting on the face AC, AB and BC respectively. Dx and dy and dz are the length of the plane. Two forces are acting on the element. One is the force exerted by the surrounding elements on the face of the fluid element, and another one is the self weight of the fluid element. So here the first one is intensity of the pressure force which are acting normal to the face of the element. In this we are taking all the three faces, that is FAC, FAB and FBC. Okay, it is. So the pressure will be Px into area. So here I'll explain one. Let us take here FAC. See, this is FAC, the face FAC. Here the pressure will be Px into dy. Okay, and the thickness will be equal to 1. The force will be pressure into area. So the pressure here it is Px into dy into 1. Similarly, face AB, Py into dx into 1. Face BC, Pz into dx into 1. Next is weight of fluid element is taken as W is equals to specific weight into volume, so which is nothing but rho g into A into thickness. So since it is a in a shape of a triangle, we have to take area as half into AB into AC. By resolving the forces along x axis and y axis, we will arrive the equation Px is equals to Py and Py is equals to Pz. By equating equation 1 and 2, we will get Px equal to Py is equal to Pz. Next is hydrostatic force law statement: the rate of increase of pressure in vertical downward direction is equal to the specific weight of the fluid at that point. Let dA is the cross-sectional area, okay, of element ABCD. dz is the height of the fluid element, and A is the depth of the fluid element from the free surface. The forces acting on the element ABCD are, see here, the force acting on the first face DC is P into area, that is pressure. Force I am talking about, it is pressure into area. So it is the force will be P into dA. The force acting on the face AB will be equal to P into delta P by delta Z into dZ into dA. Whereas the force acting on the face AD and BC are cancelled up because they are same in magnitude but opposite in direction. And these are the two forces, only the vertical forces we are considering, that is the force on face A DC and force on face AB. The one more thing is the weight of the fluid element, which is nothing but W is equals to rho g into dA into dz. By resolving the force along y-axis, so we will arrive the statement of hydrostatic force law, that is the increase of pressure in vertical downward direction, which indicates delta B by delta Z, will be equal to the specific weight of the fluid. So there are some MCQs related to this session. Please go through once. Thank you all.